Gas fireplaces are not only a reliable source of heat, but also add beauty to your room and home design. They use man-made ceramic logs to create the wood effect and can produce a decent amount of localized heat. It means that the gas fireplace can help you save money on a gas bill by setting your furnace on a lower temperature. They also create a beautiful focal point in your room and reflect the sense of warmth and coziness in your living room. More importantly, they are an off-grid source of heat. So if a power outage happens, you have your gas fireplace to warm your home. The convenience and reliability and being an off-grid source of heat makes them a perfect choice for many customers. Also, compared to wood fireplace, they are less costly to purchase and install. Gas fireplaces come in a large variety of styles and designs and efficiencies, and they can be installed almost anywhere in the house. There is a choice of vented or ventless gas fireplaces. Bear in mind that ventless gas fireplaces are not allowed in Canada and some US states. You should check with your dealer for the local regulations. Gas fireplaces can be installed inside an already existing wood-burning fireplace, or mounted on the wall, or installed as a new construction from scratch. They are a great way to change the looks and feel of your home. And with a variety of fire media like logs and fire beads and glass and rocks to pick from, you will be able to change the appearance of your fireplace easily. Just do not forget that the rocks and the glass you use inside a gas fireplace should be fire rated. It means that they are made to be used in a gas fireplace. You cannot just put any rock or piece of glass that you find somewhere inside your fireplace. Gas fireplaces are the closest alternative to a wood-burning fireplace. They also come with a variety of options and accessories that make them even more efficient and convenient to use. In general, gas fireplaces are less costly than adding a wood-burning fireplace to a finished construction. They are very easy to use and need little handling and maintenance compared to a wood-burning fireplace. Most modern gas fireplaces can be operated with a remote control. In fact, the remote control is becoming a standard in the gas fireplace market. If the remote control does not come with the fireplace, you still have the option of adding one separately in most models. Gas fireplaces all come with a built-in safety feature. The mechanism will not allow the gas to enter the firebox if there is no flame. It means that if for any reason your fireplace is not working properly, the safety feature will not allow it to run at all. That is a huge value to your safety when you are planning to leave home for a period of time. Have in mind that gas fireplaces can become a safety hazard if installed by a non-licensed contractor. You need to make sure that the installer you are hiring has the experience and knowledge and is gas licensed, which means being certified to handle gas appliances. Compared to wood-burning fireplaces, gas fireplaces are much more convenient, but it doesn't mean that they do not need any maintenance at all. You will have to clean the dust, soot, and carbon buildup on the ceramic logs and the glass, and make sure the glass gasket is intact. Just like any other gas appliance, if you smell gas, you should shut off the gas supply and call an expert immediately. It's a good idea to have a fireplace technician to take a look at your gas fireplace once a year, even if it's working properly. Now a word about gas log sets. Gas log sets are probably the most realistic and closest to the look and feel of a wood-burning fireplace. Gas log set is an open fireplace and the burner is covered by a heat-resistant set of logs, just the kind that is used in a fireplace, in a gas fireplace per se. Now, there are things to consider when you want to decide about having a gas log set in your house. First thing, a vented gas log set can only be installed in an existing fully functioning wood fireplace. It means that it operates under the same safety standards of a wood-burning fireplace. The other thing about gas log set is that the damper should also be locked open all throughout the year. There might be a backdraft of cold air from outside, so a gas log set is not the most efficient way of heating your area if it is going to be used for heating purpose. You want to check with an expert the possibility and feasibility of having a gas log set installed. Now, vent-free gas log sets and gas fireplaces are not allowed in Canada and some US states, but are allowed in other states. You want to check with your fireplace company if they are allowed in your state.